Small spaces should stay open, but every area still needs a purpose. So this Japandi design uses smart layouts and space-saving ideas to keep everything organized and connected. At Design Burst, we don't just throw random ideas, you get a real plan that fits you. So, you want to have good interior design? Visit our website or email us today and let's design your dream home together. In the living area, furniture placement defines the space without closing it off. Next, the working zone. The work area stays practical and space efficient. And in the dining and kitchen zone, the layout supports better flow and movement. When every area works together, the space feels complete. It's not about adding more furniture, it's about choosing the right pieces and planning them properly. So start with a clear design plan first. And if you need help with your own space, you can visit our website at www.designburst24.com and reach out to us via email or WhatsApp.